Hello everyone, in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the Mavic Air 2 which came out in New Zealand about May 15th and we went and got it on May 16th, the next day, which was just sort of after the level 3 lockdown which we went through for the virus. So this is the box. First we'll pull off the top. It might have plastic around it when you get it from the shop, but we've taken it off already. So it's quite a... Oh, and this is the cover. So it has all the different things which are inside, such as the bag, batteries and charger, the controller, of course the drone, and some extra fins, what do you call those? Propellers at the top. And yeah, there's a few extra filters for different levels of light as well. The first thing you'll see is inside the box we've got the bag. So we'll take the bag out. We've got in here that. We've got a little black case and nothing else inside the box. So in this little black box we've got all the guides. That's just all about the Mavic Air 2 quick start guide. Let's see. So inside here we've got the propellers and more propellers. So here is quite a sturdy bag and it feels like it's got a bit of protection, so it will protect the drone inside. Oh. And inside, so I've got another black box. You've got the controller. And here is the drone. The drone, right, nothing else there. Got, oh, there's a little bit of packaging to protect the drone. So I'll put everything down in front. So that is the inside of the bag. This black box, what's inside. This looks like one of the drone batteries. I think it comes with 3 batteries altogether. So it's a pretty good deal. Nothing else at the bottom. Then on this side we've got the battery charger. One more thing in here. This is the charging brick which attaches to the charging port where you put all the batteries to charge. So we've got these 3 batteries in the combo. I'll just show you one of the batteries. This is the underneath part which will attach to the drone. It's the on off button when you're using the drone. So now we've got the main items. So we'll open up the controller. This is the controller. It's quite lightweight. It's not too heavy, but it has sort of these nice parts on the side which you can hold, which you hold like this, and then you can control your drone from there. But you see at the top you've got these little circular things. These are the controllers, and they've got these little joysticks which are hidden down here. So you take these out, take them out, and then you put them, you screw them to the top of the little circle things. This side is for pushing the drone up and down, and this way you're pushing it from one side to the other side, turning it in circles. This one is for moving the drone from one space to the other space, so going, say, right, left, front, back. And then this part is to move the camera going front on and then pushing the camera down towards the ground, and you get those lovely ground shots. There's also some other little buttons on the front. This is obviously on and off. This is the different settings, so you've got tripod, normal and sport. And this button is to bring the drone back to where you are located, which we call home. And you've got another few wee buttons as well. This button is to start recording or take a picture, and this wee button is used to change from taking a picture to recording or vice versa. So here we have the drone. It doesn't have the propellers on it when you buy it, so we're going to open up the drone, open up the arms. It's got these little spongy bits at the top. Open up this arm, it goes the other way. You can see that, like that. Then bring it back down, and we take off the little spongy things. I don't know what they're called. Little spongy things. And now you see on the drone arms we've got these little sections with silver on them, and these ones don't have those. You see the silver circle on the drone? This propeller means it goes on the silver arm with those little silver marks. So to get the propellers onto the drone, you get them on top of the circle and you push them down, and then you turn this little outside bit around to lock them into place. There we go, so that propeller is all locked that into place. Now we've got the ones with the black circle, and they go on the arm that doesn't have silver on it. So now we'll push it down, turn the circle part around, locked into place. So on the camera it's got this little protection plastic thing on it. We're going to take that off. So you just see it's got a little handle there. You just pull it out gently like that. And then you've got the little camera. It's so delicate. Can turn all around, and when it's flying it can go all around and take all the pictures that you want. So that's the little camera. The little camera on the drone is 48 megapixels, which is quite amazing. So you'll see on the top of the drone it's got this big square sort of thing. This is the battery, and on top of the battery it has the on off button, and it's got these two buttons at the side, which means you can remove the battery. Take that off, it's quite hard. That's the battery taken out, and then you can put it back in the same way. And you'll see around the sides of the drone these little things at the top. They're sensors which stop the drone from banging into objects like trees and poles and houses and walls and things like that when it's up in the air. And it will warn you if it is near an object on the controller. So now we're going to turn the drone on. You press the button once quickly, and then you press it again for about 1 second, and it turns the drone on, and then you will put it on the ground where you want it to go off the ground from. So that is how you turn the drone on. And to turn it off, you simply press it once and press it again for about 1 second and it will turn off. Okay, so how to use the controller with your phone. So we've got the controller here, right, and it's got this little bit at the top which you pull out. You see that? A little bit at the top, little bars on it. And with that, so I'll need a cell phone to show you. We have to use USB-C to connect to this Samsung A70. So first I'm going to put the plug in the back here, the little plug down here, and I'll just pop that in, push that in. Right, we've got that in, and now we've got the cell phone. Need the plug thing to point out that way, so we'll put that in there. Again, push the phone in gently, and then we're going to plug the phone in. Easy. So now we've got the phone all connected to the controller. We're going to press this power button on once and then press it again. There we go, it's just turning on. And then you have to download the app called DJI Fly. So we'll open that app. So everything's on. And then you will press Go Fly, which is the little blue button. And it opens up a little screen. So it's got this camera. Camera's already working. You can see my fingers at the front. Now we'll turn everything off because we're going to pack up. So we'll turn everything off. And you don't need to take the propellers off. You can leave them on when you pack it away. So just get the next arm around like that. Now we've got to put the little plastic cover on the camera, and now we're going to go out and find a great place to fly. So look out for more videos. We're going to make more videos about drones and flying drones, and also we can show you some of our footage. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching, and look out for more videos coming out soon. Bye.